Hey guys, Terry here. Working on a new firmware for the Kia Stinger under V15 that has some new map changing options. I figured out that the intermittent wiper command here isn't actually used for anything when the wipers aren't on. So it seemed like the perfect thing to tie into a map switch. I've set it up so you can program each position into a different map in the app. And then you don't have to be connected to the app, and you can switch between those maps, on your own on the road. So for example, the way I have it set up right now on mine, I put map 0 at the bottom. That's JB4 off. Map 2, map 3, map 5, and map 7. But of course you can change those maps. You can make the valet map one of them, the meth map one of them, or whatever. Now a nice thing about the way I have it set up is that if you put the wipers on, I set it up so the JB4 actually disables itself. So that way when you're running your wipers, especially intermittent mode, you can change this around as you want and won't have any effect on your mapping because the JB4 is just disabled. And of course, as soon as you put the wipers back off, you're back off and running. So we'll be testing this soon in V15 on the site, and we'll go from there.